Good morning, everyone. Day 9 of the challenge, and here I am with my matcha, ginger, propolis, lemon shot. Let's see if that one is good. This is the first time I'm drinking matcha as a shot, so let's try it. Good, good. And always my 400 ml of water. And to finish, my tea. I'm having today cloves, cinnamon, and anise tea. It smells very good. Smells like Christmas. I love Christmas, by the way. Today, although I want to say something, my skin has improved a lot. You guys can see those are marks, they're not acne, but look at this monster here. Jesus Christ, I don't know what to do with it. Yeah, but yeah, skin improvement 100%, really 100%. I'm super happy with what I've achieved so far, and yeah, there's still more to go. So far, I haven't failed. I have complied with the protocol every single day. I'm eating super healthy, guys, which is so, I'm so proud of myself. And today I had some meal prep. I actually had my lunch for the week for today, Monday, for Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So I have manioc or cassava. I have some butternut squash. I also have aubergine and zucchini and fish. So the 4 days of my lunch will consist of everything you see here. I'm not going to be cooking anything else. I'll be cooking on Friday, hopefully. And of course for dinner every day, but then you're gonna see them during the next few days. But for today, that's it. So I cooked 4 pieces of fish, around 1 kilo of cassava, so I can have for the whole week. I also have 350 grams of butternut squash and 300 grams of whole aubergine, and also a whole zucchini, around 350 grams. And now let's start prepping everything, putting everything together. I'm going to start with the manioc. Everything I prepared with olive oil and salt and pepper. Hopefully they taste nice. They look very nice, but I don't know about the taste. Let's see it. Very good. So good to have like fresh food, homemade food, like you know what you're eating. You're probably not gonna get sick or have the feeling that you overate or anything, and that's very, very good. So that's one of the things I like the most about cooking, is that I do know what I'm eating. Very good. And then another spoon. Yeah, I have one piece of fish here that's quite big. So in that day, I will be eating less protein in the evening. But on the other days, they should be equally the same. Yeah, I only have 3 boxes, glass boxes, and the other one is plastic. So yeah, that's what I have. Let's try the fish. Amazing. Very, very good. It's spicy. The fish I prepared with, of course, fish. salt, pepper, lemon, chili flakes, ooh, and to grill it, I use 5 grams of butter. Jesus Christ, guys, it's super good. I'm going to start with this one today because that's my lunch. So yeah, I'll come back later. Hello everyone, welcome back. Good afternoon. Today I'm recording this video a little bit earlier because, yes, as you saw in the morning, I had my morning shot, did my morning routine, but I couldn't go to the gym because I had some errands to run in the morning. So came home, prepared my lunch for the week until Thursday, actually, not for the whole week. So had lunch, working now, having a milkshake with some frozen fruits, whey protein, and almond milk. For dinner today, I'm gonna have salmon again with potatoes and aubergine. So I'll make sure to post you to show you guys how I prepared everything. I hope you guys enjoyed my meal prep for the week. It was a really straightforward meal prep. I think it took me like 20 minutes to prepare everything and put in the oven, and the oven did the rest. Only for the fish, like I would say 10 minutes was the fish, but nothing more than that. So guys, if you really wanna lose weight and, you know, stick to a health routine, you must start meal prepping. And I have something, no, I don't have anything on my teeth. I thought I had something, but I don't have anything. Before I go, guys, how much it cost me today? So breakfast, I had as I told you, I was running, so I was late and I didn't have time to record it, but I have a banana milkshake, so it cost me 90 cents. Lunch cost me €2.85. This milkshake I'm having now cost me €1.27, and my dinner will cost €4.02. So the total for the day, €9.05. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.